Hi everyone, it's your girl Tina Olise. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to be taking you through how to achieve temporal locks of your natural hair. Well, I want to give a big shout out to Lilian okibe, who inspired this hairstyle. So if you want to follow her on her lock journey, make sure to follow her on Instagram, subscribe to her YouTube channel. She shares a lot of tips and tricks on how to achieve and maintain a healthy lock. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I am going to be starting off on freshly washed and moisturized hair. I just sectioned my hair because I prefer working with my hair while they are in sections. It's just so easy. So first of all, what you're going to do is to take a section of your hair and then divide it into 3 strands for you to plait. You're going to start plaiting firmly at the roots because you want it to be firm. You don't want your locks to just easily loose. You don't want that at all. So just watch what I do. I am just trying to have a grip of my hair and plait it firmly. So once you're done plaiting your roots firmly, now you can just see how I continue to plait actually, but it is so loose. Like I don't have this firm grip on it. I just plait it loosely. Just follow what I do in the video to understand what I am trying to say. So this is what I actually ended up achieving, which is not exactly what I was supposed to achieve, but this is my first trial on temporal locks. But the truth is, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how it turned out later after the first day. It had that rugged locked look. So just watch how I achieved the look and then you'd see how it turned out the second day, third day, and even about a week. When you get to the ends of your hair, you have to make a choice of either twisting it or using like a locking gel to just twirl it. It all depends on your preference. When it comes to temporal locks, to get an immediate locked look, you have to go for a much more bigger size than what I am doing, like a very chunky look to get the immediate locked look. But if you want like after 2 days, 3 days or so, then the smaller sizes are okay if you can wait. But if you want an immediate locked look, go for a much more bigger size than I did. So I am done with one section. As you can see, I didn't do any parting like to have a neat part, but you can actually do better. You can do better always. And this is me done with my entire head of hair. I went on to add cowries and beads. I don't know, I've just been obsessed about beads and cowries on my hair. So this is day 1. This is what I achieved immediately when I was done with the style after adding my accessories. And then I'll be showing you what day 2, yeah, this is day 2. You can see how it's starting to look more locked like and more rugged. I was liking it as the day went by. It started to look like locks literally. This is day 4. You can see how locked up it is looking as the day advances. Now this is like a week plus. I decided to remove the beads because I wanted to pack it some styles and the beads weren't allowing me to be flexible. I also washed my hair after a week while in this style. So yes, this is what it looks like. It gets more rugged as the day and week goes by. So thank you for watching this video and every of my other video. I still remain your girl Tina Olise. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Tina Olise. I will see you in my next video. Bye.